need to generate personalized AI messages without hard-coding every variation. You'll see how to dynamically render prompt templates with user-specific arguments, creating tailored message sequences in just a few lines. The pattern uses getPrompt to inject variables like names and roles, then processes the resulting messages, all while keeping your code clean and reusable.
Async with client. Hash prompt with simple arguments. Result equals await client. Get prompt. User greeting. Name, Alice. Role, administrator. Hash access the personalized messages. For message, in result messages. Printf generated message. Message content.
This demonstrates the template method pattern applied to AI prompt generation. The concept treats prompts as reusable, parameterized message templates that separate content structure from runtime data. What makes this distinctive is its ability to generate complete message sequences, including system prompts, user instructions, and assistant responses, from a single template invocation with dynamic arguments. The pattern works by externalizing message composition logic to the server, while clients focus on providing context-specific data. FastMCP handles the serialization of complex arguments, template rendering, and message sequencing automatically, allowing developers to work at a higher abstraction level. This creates a clean separation between prompt design, done once by template authors, and prompt usage, customized per interaction, following the principle of declarative configuration over imperative construction. This approach solves the problem of prompt fragmentation and inconsistency in AI applications. By centralizing templates on the server, you ensure uniform messaging across interactions while still allowing per-call customization. It's particularly valuable for multi-turn conversations, system instructions, or any scenario requiring reusable message structures. The trade-off is server dependency for template management, but the benefit is eliminating duplicate prompt logic across client applications. Let's break it down line by line.
Async with client.
This establishes an async context manager for the client connection. It guarantees proper resource cleanup when the block exits, preventing connection leaks. The pattern is essential for async operations where manual cleanup would be error-prone.
Hash prompt with simple arguments. Result equals await client. Get prompt. User greeting.
This invokes the getPrompt RPC method with template name, user greeting, and dynamic arguments. The dictionary provides variable substitutions for the prompt template, enabling personalized output generation. This is the standard pattern for template-based message generation in FastMCP.
Name, Alice.
This passes the name parameter with value Alice to the prompt template. Template variables like this enable dynamic content generation, replacing placeholders with actual values at runtime.
Role, administrator.
This defines the user's role as administrator in the prompt template arguments. Role-based personalization enables the prompt to generate different messages for different user permission levels, ensuring contextually appropriate output. Closes the dictionary argument passed to getPrompt. This finalizes the template variables being injected into the prompt, ensuring all required placeholders like name and role are properly populated before execution.
Hash access the personalized messages. For message, in result messages.
This iterates through the generated messages returned by the prompt. The result messages collection contains all personalized outputs from the AI tool, each with its own content and metadata.
Printf generated message. Message content.
This outputs each generated message from the prompt result. The F string formats the message content into a readable string, ensuring clear visibility of the AI's personalized responses for debugging or logging. Prompt personalization pattern. The getPrompt method transforms static templates into dynamic conversations by merging structured arguments with message templates, handling everything from simple strings to complex nested objects through automatic JSON serialization. Arguments are serialized using Pydantic core to JSON, so ensure your server can deserialize the same JSON structure to avoid type mismatches. This single method bridges the gap between rigid templates and fluid AI interactions.
The prompt that accepts everything must first become nothing.